Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. So today let's have a look on page 86, right? On page 86. And as you can see down here, the value is the value, moral value. Okay, nilai-nilai yang baik. Apa yang kita akan belajar today is saying sorry. Okay, you have to say sorry whenever you are wrong. Bila kita buat salah, kita kena minta maaf. Okay, we have to say sorry. So what's the title of the story today? Okay, on page 86, cerita hari ini ialah mengenai topi, the cap. Okay, the cap. Okay, topi. Ini ada cerita topi ni. But before that, okay, sebelum kita tengok cerita ini, let's watch the video. Okay, so I've searched it on YouTube. Yes, we have this one, right? Yes, I searched on YouTube and I found it. So let's watch it together first.
My cap isn't here.
Oh no!
Look! Gary's wearing my cap.
Are you sure? Maybe Gary has got the same cap.
Stop! That's my cap, Gary.
No, it's my cap.
Get my cap, please.
No problem.
Hey!
Thanks. Oh no! That's my cap. I'm very sorry, Gary.
It's okay.
Alright, let's get back to our Supermind textbook, okay, student's book. So based on the story that we watched just now, it's about the cap, mainly about the cap. Okay, there was some small misunderstanding, okay, about the cap, but never mind. Let's have a look on the story picture by picture. Okay, I think there are 8 pictures starting from number 1, and as you know, this one is Whisper. Okay, Whisper. He said, "My cap isn't here." Topi saya tiada di sini. Look at here, it's gone. None is there. And Flash says, "Oh no!" Right? Where the cap gone? And as you can see behind here, you can see the small detail about the day. Ini hari apa nih? Favorite clothes day. Okay, hari pakaian yang paling kamu gemari. So in that particular day, on that one day, their school allowed them to wear anything that they like. Okay, dorang dibenarkan untuk pakai pakaian yang paling dorang suka. So as you can see, they look beautiful, they look handsome. Okay, that's why. But the cap is gone. Okay, so on picture number 2, look, Gary's wearing my cap. Ini Gary is this person, okay, this boy. But Flash says, "Are you sure? Pastikah? Betulkah itu topi kau?" Maybe Gary has got the same cap. See, recall this. Misty. Right here, Misty, okay? Right here, I'm sorry I forgot. Okay, let's go back to page 86. Oh no. Alright, so Misty says, maybe Gary has got the same cap. Mungkin topi kamu sama. Okay, but it seems that Gary, not Gary, this one is Whisper. Whisper, he might be confused, and he said, "Stop! That's my cap, Gary." But the Gary is a little bit confused as well. No, it's my cap. Ini topi saya. Kenapa kau cap ini topi kau? Okay, so luckily they didn't fight. Okay, nasib baik dorang tidak bergaduh. So on page 4 or picture 4, Whisper has superpower, which is talking to the animals. Dia boleh bercakap dengan haiwan. So Gary, speak. Okay, he speaks to this bird. Okay, get my cap, please. No problem. No problem. Of course, because the bird has wings. Ada sayap. Dorang boleh terbang. And then Gary, hey. And really, the bird helped Whisper. Next, okay, thanks ataupun thank you, terima kasih. He spoke to the bird just now. But on the following page, okay, muka surat seterusnya, on picture 7, Gary, he realized that actually his cap was in his room. Topi dia ada di dalam bilik dia. Oh no, that's my cap. Oh no, ada dua. So this one is Whisper punya, but this cap belongs to Gary just now. And if you look here, the room is actually Whisper's room. Okay, dia punya bilik. And on page 82, the first time that we learn about the clothes. Okay, this one, get dressed. This one, if I zoom to cloth number 6, right there, that's the blue cap. So there you go. So now let's go back to picture 7. Under the seat, di bawah kerusi, under the chair. So on the last page, okay, muka surat terakhir, which is picture number 8. I'm very sorry, Gary. And then Gary says, it's okay. Dia maafkan juga. Okay, so actually Whisper is a good boy. Okay, good boy, because as you can see, he was very sorry. Nih, very, sangat minta maaf, Gary. Saya terambil kamu punya topi. Okay, and I would like to emphasize the value on this page, on page 86. It's about saying sorry. So let's say if you're fighting or you were talking to your parents, bercakap dengan ibu bapa, kamu terkasar bahasa kah, or you did something wrong, kamu buat satu kesalahan, don't be afraid to say sorry. Okay, free, itu percuma saja tuh. Bukannya kamu cakap percuma, oh cing, nah RM1 kena bayar, tidak. So it's free to say sorry. You have to apologize when you are doing something that is wrong. Okay, I hope you understand the story about the cap. Okay, let's do some simple exercise, right? Also on your workbook, page 86, okay, which is story practice. Kita kena berlatih dulu, so that I know that you really understand the story. So let's complete this exercise or these activities, there are 3 today, okay? So let's have a look on activity 1. This one you have to listen, kena dengar, and tick the box. Okay, so right here you have to listen and tick the box. I will play you the audio later on. Cikgu akan mainkan CD ini. But on question 1 we have 3 questions. Okay, activity 1 ada 3 soalan. So each question has 2 pictures. Setiap soalan ada 2 gambar. Okay, ataupun 2 orang lah, 2 persons. But you only need to tick 1 box. So let's have a look on this one. So we have this one you call flash, whisper, thunder, and then flash again, whisper, and Gary. Okay, so now I'll be playing the audio for you. Listen carefully.
Workbook, page 86. 1. Listen and tick the box.
1. My cap isn't here.
Right, let me stop you over there. Okay, my cap isn't here. Who says the dialogue? Siapa yang cakap dialog itu? So whoever spoke that dialogue just now, you have to tick the box. Okay, my cap isn't here. Coba kita tengok balik. Let's have a look one more time. Which dialogue is that? Okay, I think it's number 1, right? Right here. My cap isn't here. Kamu tengok siapa yang cakap ini? Look at the arrow. So whisper was the one who spoke the dialogue. Dia yang cakap dialog ini. My cap isn't here. That's why you have to listen carefully, okay? My cap isn't here. So you have to tick the box of whisper. Let's go back to our workbook. Right here. So whisper was the one who spoke the dialogue. Dia yang bercakap dialog tadi, percakapan tadi. Okay, so that's how you do this exercise. So I will continue playing the audio and you will be doing number 2 and number 3. Alright, listen carefully.
2. Are you sure? 3. I'm very sorry, Gary.
Right, there you go. The audio for activity 1, okay? Activity 1 kamu kena dengar. Activity ini kamu kena mendengar. So I hope you can complete that. It's super easy to do. Okay, activity 2, think. Kamu kena berfikir and write the names. Kena tulis nama. Okay, nama. And the question is, who is wearing these shoes? Okay, number 1, look at the picture and you have to write who is wearing these shoes. Look carefully. It looks like a leather shoes. Can we go back and observe who wore that shoes? Okay, I can see the answer right there, right? They are similar, sama. Okay, so who's wearing these shoes? It's Whisper. Go back to our workbook. So you have to spell out and write them, write the names. Okay, for example, number 1 is Whisper. If you are not sure how to spell, then you have to refer back to I think it was chapter 1 or unit 1. Their names are there. Okay, so and same goes with number 2. Go back to the question just now. Pergi soalan yang tadi. Who is wearing this cap? Look carefully. Look carefully. And write the names out. Right here and right here. This one is this skirt. Okay, siapa yang pakai skirt? So these two, number 2 and number 3, I will let you do it. Okay. And lastly, we have activity 3. This one you have to match the dialogues. Okay. Kamu kena padankan dialog tadi with the pictures. Okay. So you have to match the dialogues. Dialogues is on the left with the pictures. Okay, ada gambar-gambar di sebelah kanan on your right. So now, I think number 1 is done already. Okay. The person A says, "That's my book." And the person B, "I'm sorry." Okay. When you look over here, you have picture A, picture B, picture C, and picture D. So which picture portray the dialogues right here? And it's about book. Let's see. Picture A, there was no book. Picture B, just the ball. C, nope. It was picture D. Okay, it's about the book. Maybe this one, "That's my book." And then this person say, "I'm sorry." So in the box, you have to write number 1. Okay, number 1. So dialogue number 2 and so on, you have to do by yourself, but let's read this together. "My shoes aren't here." Oh no. Okay, kali ini kasut lagi. Just now was the cap, but now on dialogue 2, dialogue nomor 2, it was about the shoes, okay, yang hilang. Okay, dialogue 3. "Get my bag, please." Okay, tolong ambilkan saya punya bag. Okay, please. Tolong tolong. And then "no problem." So which picture was that? And lastly, we have number 4, dialogue number 4. Okay, person A says, "Sheila's wearing my jacket." Then person B, "Are you sure?" Kamu pastikah betul dia yang pakai? Nanti salah lagi macam si whisper. Don't do the same mistake as whisper did just now. But if you did wrong, and as usual, today's value is saying sorry. So you have to say sorry whenever you are wrong. Okay. So after you have done this, on page 86 on your workbook, please send them on our Telegram group. Okay. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you on the next lesson. Right. Bye. Thank you.